YAJIROBE! Welcome, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Majiramon from Digimon Tamers. Basically, I thought his first name was YAJIROBEmon. And, well, basically, I saw him in action. When I saw him in action, his first fight was against Cyberdramon. And, well, you saw how that panned out against him. Eventually, he was tamed by Cyberdramon's partner. Let's get started. He has these secret marks on his antlers. There we go. Now we draw his neck. Here's his robe. Now we draw her. I meant his hands. There's the nail. Almost done. Now we draw the four legs that are part of his design. Now we draw the spikes on his back. We're almost done. Now we draw his tail. Anyways, Yajirobe, he's the character from Dragon Ball Super, and he showed up also on Trunks' Future and in Dragon Ball Z. Now, and even saved Goku's life. And I thought this guy's name was Yajirobemon, but his name's Majiramon instead. Anyhow, thanks for watching the episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.